So you now just bought a new property. I know you're sitting in front of the real estate lawyer's office. You're feeling excited, sign the final closing documents, and as the lawyer speaks, you're now thinking, wow, this lawyer speaks so eloquently. This lawyer is so amazing, so professional, and you can't help but mesmerize with the legal jargons that are coming out of her mouth. And that half of it you don't even understand anyway. And then you said to yourself, wow, I definitely hire a goddamn good lawyer. And then out of nowhere, she hits you with this question. What type of ownership this property going to be? Joint tenancy or tenants in common? Feeling confused? And then you reply, say what? And then you freeze, as you never thought about this question coming into the lawyer's office. Sounds familiar? Don't worry, as this happens all the time. So today, I'm going to break it to you the differences between the joint tenancy and tenants in common so you know exactly how to answer this question the next time you buy a house and if you already own a house to see if you made a mistakes with your spouse. So what is the difference between joint tenancy and tenants in common? Let's start with right of survivorship. In joint tenancy, if one owner dies, their share automatically goes to the other owners. It skips the will and probate process. In tenants in common, if one owner dies, their share goes into their estate, not to the other owners. It's then passed accordingly to their will or inheritance law. Now, under ownership shares, in joint tenancy, everyone owns an equal share. For example, 50-50 for two people or one-third each for three people. In tenants in common, shares can be unequal. For example, 70-30 or 60-20-20. You decide the split. Now, regarding the changing the ownership type, in joint tenancy, it usually needs all owners to agree to end it. But one owner can break it by filing the right paperwork. In tenants in common, it is easier to sell or transfer your share without the other owner's approval. So here's a quick example in plain English. In joint tenancy, think of it like a shared plate. Everyone owns the same amount of property. If one owner passes away, their share automatically goes to the other owners. You can't leave your share to someone else in your will. In tenants in common, think of it like a pizza with uneven slices. You can own a bigger or smaller piece. If it passes away, your share goes into your estate and it can be given to whoever you choose in your will. You can sell or transfer your slice without the other owner's permission. Confused yet? Here's a quick memory trick. Joint tenancy, joint together for life. Share goes to the others automatically. Tenants in common, common friends, separate lives. Your share is yours to pass on or sell. I hope this video serves you well and good luck with your next home ownership.